let's get straight to the point. We're looking at a specific piece of tech, Bluetooth Angle of Arrival, or AOA, and how it's being used in real-world applications. This isn't just theory, it's about practical implementation and the market buzz around it. So, why all this fuss about indoor location? Think about it. GPS is great for telling you where you are on the highway, but once you're inside a building, it often throws its hands up. Suddenly, knowing where you are becomes crucial. Whether it's optimizing warehouse logistics, enhancing retail experiences, improving safety in factories, or even guiding people in hospitals, precise location data is becoming a fundamental layer of information. The numbers back this up dramatically. We're talking about a market projected to grow at a staggering 42% compound annual rate. That's not just growth, that's an explosion. From $7.1 billion in 2017 ballooning to nearly $41 billion by 2022. This isn't some niche interest, it's a massive, rapidly expanding field driven by the sheer necessity of knowing where things are when they're not out in the open air. Now, amidst this growing market, who's actually making waves? Enter coreaiot, spotlighted here for their work on domestic Bluetooth AOA technology. Notice the key names. Yiheng is the face associated with this particular push, and the event itself was a significant collaboration involving several major players in the IoT space: AIoT StarMap, AIoT Library, Ulink Media. This wasn't just a small company announcement, it was presented as a major live broadcast event, signaling serious intent and credibility. The focus is squarely on their homegrown Bluetooth AOA solution, positioning them as a key player in this high-stakes arena. It's interesting to see how specific technologies like Bluetooth AOA are being championed within the broader ecosystem. Okay, so coreaiot gets a lot of attention. But why them specifically? What makes them stand out in a crowded field? The poster teases us, saying the answer will be revealed by their CTO, Zhou Jing. Let's look at her credentials. Tsinghua University background in electronics engineering, that's top-tier education. Then, experience at TP-Link, a global giant, specifically in product planning for MiFi and security products. This isn't just academic knowledge, it's deep, practical industry experience. And her skill set? She's got her fingers in multiple pies: Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, 4G, 5G, UWB, even software radio. This breadth suggests a holistic understanding of wireless communication landscapes. When she reveals the reason coreaiot was chosen, it's likely tied directly to her expertise and the unique strengths she brings to the table, particularly regarding their Bluetooth AOA approach. So, what exactly were they planning to unpack in that live session? The agenda gives us a clear roadmap. First, they dive into the classic use cases, the tried-and-true scenarios where high-precision positioning delivers tangible value in enterprises. Think beyond the hype, into real-world problems solved. Then, a crucial question: what are the ecosystem's most pressing needs when dealing with both people and objects? This hints at understanding the pain points and requirements driving adoption. Cost is always a factor, so they promised insights on how to make these projects more economical, practical advice for implementation. And finally, the head-to-head comparison: Bluetooth AOA versus UWB. These are both powerful technologies, but they have different strengths and weaknesses. Understanding when and where each shines is critical for anyone choosing a solution. Plus, a dedicated Q&A slot shows they were ready to engage directly with the audience. Wrapping up, coreaiot positions itself with a mantra of speed and innovation: Shenzhen speed, only fast is breakthrough. They're aiming for a vast ecosystem, infinite ecology. If you're curious about their Bluetooth AOA tech or want to collaborate, they provide a direct contact point. That's the essence of the event preview, showcasing their tech, sharing insights, and inviting engagement.